Now, if you think back to pruning, I oftentimes show these photos during pruning too, to remind you what you're getting into and why we're doing what we're doing at pruning. This example here shows a 2-bud spur. Now, if it's a 2-bud spur, why do we have 4 shoots growing out of here? Well, if you're an experienced grower, you can answer that question yourself, because you can see that the first clear bud was this one on the lower right. This small shoot that's coming out on the left was right where the 1-year-old wood touches the 2-year-old wood. So that's what we consider our non-count bud position. So we typically don't count that when we're counting buds at pruning for our spurs. However, you can still have that bud push a shoot in the spring. And it's if your crew is trained, they should easily be able to remove that. So in this case scenario, we have 2 very clear buds, and on this upper position, a secondary bud pushed, again, causing that kind of twin or double shoot scenario. So the easy one to take out is the double. And then the one that you have to train your workers for is typically this non-count, either has less fruit on it or no fruit. And sometimes they can actually be fruitful. But if you don't need that position to renew a spur position, for example, it's easier just to take that out. So this lower shoot here on the right is going to be the one that I'll retain the following season as a spur. And as you can see, you kind of get that gradual growing of a spur position over the years. So that's a real quick example of some of the most common types of shoots that we're going to remove during shoot thinning.